Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ke Sangma haka arterik jaleu arjar bhundreu ulah pli yaka solar photovoltaic plant Kaba 1,000 kilowatt ha Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Kepala Menteri Lengba ke Chief Minister Solar Mission. Haba pentip balengba ni commission ke sorkar kala de pendaj yaki solar panel hadu news pa teli ki school. Kibalala ban penmi 1.1 megawatt ka boarding. Bat sakhat lai spa teli ki school en sa pendaj no shen. Yaka project high school Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School la penteri da Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency. Bat kade kawai na kijing pendaj yaki kor solar kaba hedu haga jaka pule ha Meghalaya. Kani ka kor kaba 1,000 kilowatt ka syongdor kaba 1,000 lak tengka. Kadon ki bateri ban kersyan bat lakmi lenti bakan senyang sikadai ya kijing la ban pendap ya kijing don kam boarding haka school lengba ka boarding kaba khuj bat ka bom lut syu. Haba keren haka jing yalang Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ulapan pau ya kejing kongsan ka boarding ka bom lut syu. Haba pendon kam haka jing yakun ya kejing kala ka sun benang. Bat pentikena ya kalawai ka badap pabiang na ka benta ka Meghalaya. Khamtam haba yu ya kejing nang jur jong kejing kata ne jing kala ka sun benang. Shillong frontier at the heart of Meghalaya.
So just hold like this. You're the main person. Right. That's one. I can monitor this. So what is the current output? It's a 50 kilowatt project, and you'll be happy to know that most of the school's power now is coming from here. Almost, you can say almost 90% is coming from here. And we're only using half the capacity. Very soon, we are hopeful that not just the highest secondary school, but also the college will be completely on solar. And this is the kind of project we'd like to see in all institutes so that we promote green energy. And this is one of the larger projects we've done under CM Solar Mission. But like this, about 700 schools have been given units, and close to 1.4 megawatts of power has been installed. So it's a great success, and I wish the school, the management, the very best, and we'll continue to have more and more schools powered by solar energy. I'm at St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. With all our students here. We are here to inaugurate the 50 kilowatt solar panel. Guys, say hi.